my name is Abigail Sperry, and I am going to be taking you through a tour of my Weebly website and my WebQuest. So here we have my WebQuest, or my Weebly, have the home page, have a little bit of a brief biography, and I also have here my word assignments that I did for this class. We had a lesson plan and then work with a Google Classroom. And here I have my Excel assignment. If it'll show up. There it is. All right. We have my 4 sheets here. Playground, conference, and curriculum, and basically this was just some exploration on Excel. Also have PowerPoint page here, which is basically my lesson plan, but in PowerPoint form, so this would be something I might show the class. Here is my WebQuest link, so if you just click on this, it'll link to my WebQuest and you can check that out there. I also have this, which is a video I did talking about the program Parlay and how it could be useful in classrooms. Here you will find, when I am done with this recording, I will link to my Screencast-o-matic recording here so that you can watch that. Alright, so now on to the WebQuest. I decided to do my WebQuest on the Jazz Age. Recently learned about this in one of my other classes, and it's also one of my favorite time periods. So for this project, we have the introduction here, just talking about it. Some brief things that will be covered, and then for the tasks we have watching a video, reading through a lesson, going through PowerPoints, which I, as a teacher, I would obviously have those up on the school platform, and then doing some group projects on answering some questions. So for the process of this, give it 1 second here. All right, so link to the crash course video the students would watch. Also, the worksheet they would fill out. Here is something that would. This is just a little bit more detailed of what they're actually going to be doing and what they will be turning in. Here we have for the evaluation. Here's what I would plan on grading the students on. Doing it on historical accuracy, as that would be in a history class the most important part. We have choosing the topic, which is the second part of the assignment, and how well that is done. We also have grammar, as that will be very important there. And then length, which I have specific length requirements for the kids, and that's also very important. So all of that will total 100 points when that is done. All right, so to conclude this, we have anyways, so basically, while that's loading for conclusion, that would be just briefly going over what I hope the students learned, and what they should have learned there. And then teacher page, I also have, well, since this is taking just a long time to load, teacher page, we have the lessons that, or the standards that this would follow, under the Idaho State Standard, under U.S. history. So yeah, that's what I have for my web quest. Hope you enjoyed.